Today we shall discuss the complementary angles of trigonometry, the complementary angles of trigonometrical ratios. These two triangles are same triangle, but their position of base, perpendicular and hypotenuse are reversed. The triangles are same. ত্রিভুজ দুটো একই, কিন্তু এর ভূমি এর এখানে লম্ব, এর এখানে লম্ব, এটা এখানে ভূমি, প্রতিভুজটা একই। কারণ এই অ্যাঙ্গেল যদি থিটা হয় তাহলে এই অ্যাঙ্গেলটা নিশ্চয়ই 90 ডিগ্রি মাইনাস থিটা হবে। এইটা আমরা এখানে বেস দিয়েছি, এইটা এখানে বেস আছে। থিটা এখানে বেস, here theta is base and here 90 degree minus theta is base angle. Now we will discuss the formula. From figure 1, this is from figure 1 and this is from figure 2. Sin theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is OP by PN in figure 1, from figure 1. Now from figure 2 we will see that it is OP, here it was OP perpendicular, here it is OP base. So it is 90 degree minus theta, OP is base. (90 degree minus theta) equal to is OP. (90 degree minus theta) 90 degree minus theta equal to ON. 90 degree minus theta equal to ON by PN, and it will be ON by PN, that is cos theta. Cos theta equal to ON by PN. Cos theta equal to ON by PN, ON by PN. So cos 90 degree minus theta in case of ON is perpendicular. OP, it will be OP by PN. With respect to this figure, this is sin theta. Similarly, tan theta from this figure it is OP by ON. OP by ON. Now tan 90 degree minus theta with respect to this figure, with respect to, this is abbreviation is used. Abbreviation, this is with respect to this figure, tan 90 degree minus theta equal to perpendicular by base, that is ON by OP. ON by OP in with respect to this figure, ON by OP, this is cot theta. Similarly, cosec theta equal to, this is hypotenuse by perpendicular. Therefore, cosec 90 degree minus theta with respect to this figure, 90 degree minus theta equal to PN by ON. 90 degree minus PN by ON. This is perpendicular. So this is sec theta with respect to this figure. This is with respect to when figure 1 from figure 2 it is. Figure 2 from figure 2 from figure 1 with respect to figure 1. This is with respect to figure 1. And cosec 90 degree minus theta, cosec 90 minus theta equal to PN by ON, cosec. So it is with respect to this figure, with respect to figure 1, this is figure 1, it is sec theta with respect to figure 1, this is with respect to figure 1. Sec theta equal to PN by ON, and sec 90 degree minus theta equal to PN with respect to PN by OP, this is hypotenuse by perpendicular, it is cosec theta, and cot theta equal to ON by OP. So cot 90 degree minus theta equal to OP by ON. with respect to this figure it is OP by ON, and OP by ON with respect to this figure is tan theta, OP by ON. This totally is with respect to figure 1, and this is with respect to figure 2. Important, this is from figure 2, and this is from figure 1, and relation, the ratio is the same. Now we'll see the same thing, that is complementary angles like this, alpha plus beta equal to 90 degree. Therefore alpha equal to 90 degree minus beta and beta equal to 90 degree minus alpha. We'll draw two figures, same figure. Here the perpendicular OP, here the base is OP, same figure. And here base is ON, here perpendicular is ON. So if it is alpha and if it is beta, that means alpha equal to 90 degree minus beta and beta equal to 90 degree minus alpha. Here base angle is alpha, that is 90 degree minus beta. এখানে base angle alpha, অর্থাৎ base angle alpha মানে হলো 90 degree minus beta, and here it is base angle beta, this beta equal to 90 degree minus alpha. Now we'll go through the formula. Sin alpha equal to 90 degree minus beta. Sin alpha 90 degree minus beta. 90 degree minus beta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. With respect to this figure. And with respect to this same figure, OP is a base and PN is hypotenuse. So with respect to this figure, 90 degree minus beta PN by OP, this relation with respect to this one, OP by PN, this is from second figure, it is cos beta. Just see cos beta equal to this same thing, cos beta equal to base by hypotenuse. Base is OP and the hypotenuse is PN. Cos alpha equal to base by hypotenuse, that is ON by PN. Same thing when we will discuss with this thing, ON is perpendicular and PN is hypotenuse. ON by PN with respect to this figure 2 is with respect to this figure 2, this is sin beta. Just see, ON is perpendicular and base is this, hypotenuse is PN. So it is sin beta. Similarly, tan alpha equal to tan 90 degree minus beta, tan equal to perpendicular by base from first figure, and the same thing is OP by PN, that is just reverse. So it will be cot beta. And cosec alpha equal to cosec 90 degree minus beta, that is PN by OP with first figure, and with the same second figure PN by OP, that is hypotenuse by base, that is sec beta. Beta means 90 degree minus alpha. Beta means 90 degree minus alpha. Alpha means 90 degree minus beta. And sec alpha equal to 90 degree minus beta, that is PN by ON, is from this first figure. And 90 degree minus beta equal to, from the second figure, it is PN by ON, that is, it is cosec beta equal to 90 degree minus alpha, that is cosec beta equal to cosec 90 degree minus beta. And cot alpha equal to cot 90 degree, alpha means 90 degree minus beta. With respect to the first figure, it is base by perpendicular, that is ON by OP. With respect to this figure, with respect to the second figure, this is ON is perpendicular and OP is base. So it is tan beta. Tan beta means beta means 90 degree minus alpha. This is all about your trigonometrical complementary angles ratio. Complementary angles ratio. So next, in the next class, we will use this formula to solve all the problems. That's all.